Hello students, welcome to another chemistry class with Mr. Solomon. Today's lesson is on the topic electron configuration. Electron configuration. Electron configuration is the arrangement of electrons in the shells of an atom. Remember, in our last video we mentioned atomic number and we said that the atomic number of an element is the number of electrons is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of that element. I also explained that that number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of that element is also equal to number of electrons in the shells of an atom of that element. Look at the diagram on the board. This is an atom of an element. It has shell number 1, shell number 2, and shell number 3. And from this chart here, you see that the element represented is aluminium. Atomic number is 13. That means it has 13 protons in the nucleus of this atom. If it has 13 protons, it will also have 13 electrons. These 13 electrons, how are they arranged? Are they all put into one shell? No. It is only 2 electrons that will go into the first shell, 8 will go into the second shell, and then the remaining 3 will go into the third shell. As you can see here, aluminium electron configuration is 2, 8, 3. That means 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and 3 electrons in the third shell. How do we know that only 2 electrons will go into the first shell? We use this formula on the board, 2n squared, where n, small letter n, stands for the shell number. That is it shell number 1 or shell number 2? For shell number 1, the n is equal to 1. And when n is equal to 1, we'll solve this way. 2 bracket n raised to power 2. N raised to power 2 is equal to 1. 1 raised to power 2 is equal to 1. So 2 times 1 will give us 2. That is the maximum number of electrons that can be in the first shell.